Okay, so today we're going to be talking about patterns. Okay, patterns. For the next 3 days we're going to be covering patterns in maths. So we've done patterns before last term, so I'm just going to go over doing patterns again. So this is like normal patterns, but then we also get number patterns, right? But we're going to first start here and then we'll move on to number patterns. So patterns basically is just something that follows rules, okay? Follows rules. So we're going to look at all of these ones and see what rules they are here. Okay, so patterns can go by color, shape, number, size, thickness, position, and anything else really. You can find patterns like how we did in class. We looked for patterns in class. There's lots of patterns all around us, and I'd actually encourage you to find the patterns in your house or in your backyard or front yard. Okay, so let's do some patterns here. So here we have our first pattern. It's made up of color, right? So we have a green one, purple one, green one, purple one, green one, purple one. So patterns also, they don't just follow rules, but the rules keep repeating themselves. So it keeps going over and over and over. It repeats. So here the rule is, it's a green one first, then a purple one. Green one, then purple. Okay, that's the rule. Then we have shape. Okay, the shape here, the pattern is, it's a square, 2 triangles, circle. Square, 2 triangles, circle. Then you go again, square, 2 triangles, circle. Okay, then we have number. We have 2 circles, 1 square. 2, 1, 2. So that's the pattern in the number. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next one will be 1. After that it will be 2. Just like that. Then we have size. Okay, we have a big one here, then a small one, then a big one, small one, big one, small one. Next one will be big, and then next small. Okay, thickness. We have a thick box, thin box, thick, thin. Next one will be thick. Okay, position. Position is just basically saying which way is it going. Okay, so this position is to the right, then it's up, down, left. Then it repeats again, right, up, down, left. Okay, so those are some patterns for you. So what I want you to do now is you are going to do your own one like this. Okay, you're going to do your own color one, own color pattern, own shape, number, size, thickness, position. Okay, just like how I did it, you're going to do your own one. Okay, please don't copy mine. You can have your own one. Doesn't, so like for size, it doesn't just have to be one big, one small. You can maybe make 2 big and then 1 small, or 3 big and 1 small, something like that. Okay, so you're gonna do one of this on your own, and then after that you're gonna also do this one for me. So you're gonna have 2 pages that look like this. One where you do you on your own, and then the second page where you're following my pattern rules. Okay, so I gave you some rules here, and you have to read and do the pattern for me. So I'm gonna read the rules for you, and you need to do the pattern over and over. Okay, at least 2 or 3 times. So color. Rule is 2 red, 3 blue, and 1 yellow. Shape. 1 circle, 4 squares. Number. +2, then +1. Okay. For example, don't use my example, but you can do your own one. So let's say I have the I want to start with the number 10. Okay, so then I need to first +2. Okay, so +2, what's 10 + 2? It's 12, so that's my next number. then plus 1. So my next number will be 12 plus 1, that's 13. Okay, then I do it again. So I stop by 13, so I must say plus 2. 13 plus 2 is 15. Okay, and then I must plus 1, that's 16. So if I look at it like this, it's I plus 2 here, and then I plus 1. Then I plus 2, and then I plus 1. And here's my answers. Okay. And then for size, I said 3 big and 1 small. Thickness, thin, thin, thick. Okay. And then position, up, down, up, up. Okay. So you're gonna do those two patterns for me, this pattern page of your own, and then another one where you're following these rules. Okay, and that's it for maths.